Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export files in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first, we need to go to setup, and after that, we need to go to the setup page and then search for export. So from here, we will need just to find data export and we click on it, and then you will need just to click on export now, or you can schedule your export. So now we need to click on the export, and after that you will need just to choose all the data that you want to export the files from. So by default it is all the data, which means all these objects are included, and then you can specify ones if you want. So you can specify only the contract objects or elements, and after that, or after you finish your selection, all you need to do is to go here and check this checkbox here. So from here, you will be able to include images, documents, and attachments with export. And of course, you can start choosing your encoding type or encoding method, and basically then you can also include your Salesforce files and Salesforce CRM content document versions. So from here, make sure to check them here, and as you can see, these only includes the images, documents, and other attachment take additional time to export, and those are the Salesforce files. So simply after that, you will need just to click on Start Export, and you will have all your elements or all your files, documents, etc. that will be exported within your exported data. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.